News this evening. Why the mother of a 9-year-old child has resorted to bleaching his skin. 9-year-old child who was brutally murdered laid to rest. And court rules in favor of the PNP in political sign dispute.
And good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and on live at that's on live and on air at online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious. A special welcome also to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. And with a preview of what's to come in business news, here's Andrea Chisholm.
Well, Janella, you've heard the saying, with little but with talawa as it relates to Jamaica, right? And guess what? 2 Jamaican firms are making waves internationally. They're on the Financial Times list of fastest growing companies in the Americas for 2025. We'll tell you who they are later in the business day.
Thank you, Andrea. And Renata Brown is live with what's coming up in Primetime Sports.
I am live and what? Online?
Online.
Well, TVJ Sports understands that there could be 3 surprise inclusions in the West Indies Test squad to face Australia this month, and Reggae Boys head coach wants improved performance from the team as they play Guatemala at the National Stadium on Tuesday night.
Are you going to that one?
No.
Yeah.
I'll be work. I forget. Yes, I'll be here.
And Romain is also here with a preview of what's to come in the weather report and forecast.
Thanks, Janella. Now, as we get into Wednesday, we are expecting an increase in dusty conditions across the Jamaica area. There's another plume of Sahara dust that is expected across the Central Caribbean.
I started it. It's just one of those. Yes. Red leather, yellow leather. We'll sort it out, folks. But before the break, there's also sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, feedback question.
Archie, this evening, we are asking, what are your thoughts on the use of bleaching products on children?
You can share your comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and you can post on X at TVJ News Center.
So please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.
Ready?